Hey guys, so today's video is just going to be a little transformation into my all-time favorite artist since 7th grade, Lana Del Rey. I'm really going to try my best, so I'll show you the picture we're going off of. We're trying to do this today. We'll see how it goes. So I started with my foundation, concealer, primed my eyes, and then powdered my face just to move things along. I just started with a nude shade eyeshadow on my face, and I'm going to go in with my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette, and I'm going to use Seaside right here. And using this pretty brush, I'm just going to go on the outer lid of my eye just to create a lot of depth. And then with that same color, I'm just going to create kind of a wing on the outside. Okay, so after making it kind of prominent, that's about it for the eyeshadow. She usually keeps it pretty simple. So next for brows, her brows are just pretty straight for the most part, but they do have kind of a more prominent edge. So I'm just going to use a random spoolie to smooth out my brows and pretty much just follow the natural curve of them. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with some eyeliner. I'm just doing a classic wing and then going all around my eye. And her wings curve up a little more higher than mine normally do, so I'm going to try and replicate that. Next I'm going to curl my lashes and just apply mascara as normal. You get the mascara right there. Just gonna add a touch of highlight to my cheekbones. Next, I'm just gonna take any nude lipstick. This is a Forever 21 one, so I'm just going to apply that. And I'm overdrawing my lips a little bit, but I don't want it to be too noticeable, you know. See? And then I'm actually going to take some of this highlight and put it kind of in the middle. I flipped you off, sorry. In the middle, just to kind of accentuate my lips and make them look a little more full. See? Oh, God. For the final touch, I'm just using this brown eye pencil to create her signature beauty mark. I'm going to put that about right here. There's a little contour on my cheekbones. I'm just using this Too Faced Best Year Ever palette and using this bottom shade, Chocolate Soleil. I can't talk. And I'm just going to be kind of contouring my cheekbones to give me that signature Lana perfect everything face. And with that, that's my finished makeup. I'm going to put on a wig to try and get a better effect. And this is my wig on. So, I mean, what do you think? What do you think? A little bit? A little bit? Not at all? Come on. Stop. You're just being rude. No, you're just being rude. I tried my best. I kind of look like her from certain angles. Maybe not. I like this wig because it's a nice, Born to Die, her, honey brown, and it's really long and pretty. She also, completely rocks the dark hair, and I love that, but I don't have a good, dark wig right now. So, I mean, I think this works. I think if you wanted this for, Halloween or something, people would probably know who you were. Maybe. If they're cultured, lol. And also, I ended up moving, the little beauty mark to the other side because it just worked with the wig a little bit better, so I'll do some poses. Are you uncomfortable? I'm sorry I made you uncomfortable. Love you guys. Bye.